Hello everyone, I'm Yogesh Mishra. Today we are going to talk about state management in Angular. Many teams still reach for NgRx by default even they do not really need it. In this video, I'll show you how to manage state cleanly using only signals. Let's get started. So the real question is simple. Do you actually need NgRx? If state is shared by only a few components, a signal service is enough. If you are writing too much boilerplate for small features, signals remove that work. If your team finds NgRx hard to learn, signals are much easier. And if you mainly need UI state plus some shared data, signals already handle it well. Always start with local component state. Most state is only needed inside one component. Search text current page and selected item belongs right there. Create signals for the values and use computed for anything derived. Keep it simple and do not move state to a service until you actually need to share it. When you need shared state, create a simple signal service. Keep a private writable signal. Expose a read-only version so components cannot change it directly. Add computed values for things like and count, then provide clear methods such as add and remove. This pattern is clean, easy to test, and has almost no boilerplate. Here is how it looks in real components. The product card injects the card store and only calls the add method. The header also injects the same store and simply reads the count and total signals. Both components stay reactive without knowing the internal details of the store. Signals work well in many everyday situations. Shopping cart count and total, search with live filtering, selected row or active tab, model open and close state from form dirty and valid flags, pagination with page size, theme or dark mode toggle, notification queue, user permissions and wizard, step progress. In all these cases, you can manage state cleanly with signals. Load data in normal methods, not inside effects. Set a loading flag, call the API, update the signal with the result, and clear the loading flag. Avoid using effects just to copy one signal into another. That often creates hard to debug loops. Keep effects only for true side effects like logging or saving the local storage. Be honest about the limits. Complex multi-step workflows with optimistic updates may need more structure. Enterprise apps that require full action history and time travel can still benefit from NgRx. Very large teams sometimes prefer the strict conventions NgRx provides. Heavy normalized entity management can also justify a bigger solution, but these are the exceptions. Here are the rules that work well. Start with component signals. Use a signal service for shared feature state. Always expose read-only signals and computed values. Keep mutations inside clear methods. Load data in methods, not effects. And only add NgRx when you actually feel the complexity. Start simple, add complexity only when you feel the pain. Most Angular applications never need a full state management library. A clean signal service is enough. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it with your team and subscribe. I'm Yogesh Mishra. See you in the next one. Thank you.